In today's video, we're going to quickly walk you through how to enter a beginning balance in Xero so you can get started managing your finances effortlessly. Whether you're new to Xero or just getting started with your bookkeeping, entering your beginning balance correctly is crucial to ensure your accounts are accurate. Before we dive in, did you know you can start using Xero completely free with an exclusive extended trial through the link below? Stick around till the end, and I'll share how you can get that bonus. Now, let's get to it. When you first start using Xero, you'll need to enter a beginning balance. This is simply the starting point for your accounting period, such as the balance in your bank accounts, accounts payable, or accounts receivable on the first day of your bookkeeping. To enter a beginning balance in Xero, you first need to navigate to your dashboard. From there, select Accounting and choose Advanced. Once you're in the Advanced section, find the Financial Settings tab and click on Tracking. Here's where you'll configure everything you need to get your accounts properly set up. Once in the financial settings, you'll be asked to enter your financial year start date. This date should match the beginning date of your balance sheet for accurate financial reporting. Now, go to the Bank Accounts section, where you can input the opening balance for each bank account. You'll need to match the balance shown on your bank statement. For example, if your business account balance on the first day of the period is $10,000, enter that as the opening balance for the account. Make sure you select the right account, whether it's your checking, savings, or other accounts you need to track. Next, enter the opening balances for your other accounts, like accounts payable or accounts receivable. If you owe money to vendors, or if there are outstanding customer invoices, you'll want to reflect those amounts here so Xero can keep everything in balance. These figures are essential to getting a clear picture of your finances, especially if you're starting your accounting in the middle of a year. When entering these balances, ensure that they match your financial records exactly, whether you're using bank statements or other records. If you're unsure about the exact numbers, you might need to reconcile past records to ensure accuracy. This step is important because once these balances are set, they're used for your financial reports. After entering all your opening balances, Xero will automatically handle the rest, ensuring your reports are correct. You'll be able to generate financial statements that include accurate beginning balances, which is key for tax filing and tracking your business performance. Now, before you go, remember you can start using Xero completely free with an exclusive trial from the first link below. This is a great opportunity to get started with Xero and simplify your accounting process without any upfront costs. In summary, entering a beginning balance in Xero is an important first step to make sure your financial reports reflect reality. With just a few simple steps, you'll have your starting figures entered and your account set up ready to go. Be sure to check out the link below for your exclusive Xero trial and take your accounting to the next level.